Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping safe in these really uncertain times. I'm Vaishali Rawat and I was honored to receive the Sanctuary Asia Young Naturalist Award in 2017. I work in wildlife conservation and I've been writing about conservation issues related to endangered species and threatened landscapes for a few years. I recently completed my master's in biodiversity conservation and management from the University of Oxford. So we are fast approaching Earth Day on the 22nd of April, and unfortunately, we are all going to spend it indoors in light of the coronavirus threat. So, for this Earth Day, I want to urge you to take this opportunity to observe nature and wildlife all around us, whether it's birds and bees or trees and flowers, no matter where you are. I personally find that when it's important to stay indoors, it can be, and your movement is restricted quite a bit, it can cause quite a lot of stress and anxiety. So I find that focusing a few minutes every day just to look at nature, even just outside my balcony, can be quite therapeutic. So I live in Gurgaon, and over the past few weeks, I've been observing all sorts of wonderful activity from my balcony, from simply just looking outside my balcony. For example, there's a lovely pair of yellow-footed green pigeons that has been constructing its nest right outside our balcony and carrying out some really extensive home renovations. There's a very loud, very energetic pair of black drongos that just hang around in the mornings and the evenings, and it's such a joy to watch them just flit about the branches. We have a lot of house sparrows that keep fluttering all over the little potted plants in the balcony, and it's quite nice to just focus your attention on that for a little bit. And sometimes I pick up my binoculars and look into this lovely, gorgeous beehive that's a natural architectural marvel just right outside our doors. And I find that when the world gets too much, it's really nice to kind of focus your attention on that and see that life is going on even when we're locked in. And in fact, wildlife or nature wildlife is the last thing that people associate Gurgaon with, which is where I'm based right now. But for my master's thesis project, I had the chance to explore and better understand the presence of wildlife in this landscape. And I was amazed to see that the signs of presence of all sorts of creatures like hyenas and jackals and foxes and even leopards within the areas of Gurgaon, but even in villages and forest patches nearby. And I really appreciate how adaptable these animals can be, even though they don't always get our attention. So whether it's just the trees by a balcony, or just a garden patch near a building, or even the birds perched on an electricity wire by the road, I hope this Earth Day, you use this time to reflect on all these creatures that we share spaces with, and I hope it inspires you to appreciate their presence and get involved in their conservation. I wish you all a very happy Earth Day. Thank you.